Hey everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. Are you building a new PC or upgrading your storage and need a fast, reliable connection? We've got you covered with our guide to the top 5 best SATA 3.0 cable on the market right now. Let's get started. Our fifth pick is the Samzhe SATA 3.0 cable. The Samzhe SATA 3.0 cable provides a high-speed connection to ensure your storage drives run with fast and reliable performance. A dependable link between your motherboard and storage devices is important, and this Samzhe cable delivers exactly that by supporting data transfer rates of up to 6 gigabits per second. This speed means whether you are using an HDD or a faster SSD, you will notice a smoother and more efficient experience when accessing files or running daily system tasks. A standout design choice on this Samzhe cable is the optimized 90-degree bend on the connector. If you have built a computer, you know space gets tight inside the case. This thoughtful 90-degree angled shape helps the cable fit perfectly into small spaces without damaging the internal wires. It dramatically improves your overall cable management, keeping the inside of your computer case looking neat while reducing unwanted clutter. To make installation even cleaner, this cable comes in a practical 0.48 meter length. This specific size provides the ideal amount of reach and flexibility to connect internal drives. It is long enough to stretch across most standard desktop builds, but short enough to prevent messy wires from pooling up at the bottom of your case. You get a clean and simple installation without placing stressful strain on your motherboard ports. Universal compatibility is another major benefit. It works seamlessly with standard HDD and SSD devices on the market. You can effortlessly integrate it into almost any desktop system without worrying about connection issues. Safety and reliability are guaranteed because the Samzhe SATA cable is fully CE certified. This certification means it meets strict European safety and electromagnetic compatibility standards. You can confidently install this, knowing it will provide safe operation and consistent performance over time. The Samzhe SATA 3.0 cable combines incredibly fast data transfer speeds, a smart angled design, and solid build quality into one practical accessory. It keeps your system running smoothly with totally dependable storage connections. At number 4, we have the Jeyi SATA 3.0 cable. The Jeyi SATA 3.0 cable delivers high-speed data transfer with support for up to 6 gigabits per second, ensuring a fast and reliable connection between your storage drives and the motherboard. When you are putting together a computer or upgrading an old one, a dependable connection is essential. This Jeyi cable guarantees your system runs smoothly by providing quick access to your files and programs. It works seamlessly with a wide variety of hardware, making it simple to connect standard HDD devices, faster SSD devices, and optical hardware like CD and DVD writers. Whether you are building a brand new system or refreshing an existing desktop, this cable supports excellent performance. One of the most practical aspects of the Jeyi SATA 3.0 cable is the choice of installation configurations. It is available in both a straight-to-elbow design and a straight-to-straight design. This offers highly versatile options that work perfectly in tight spaces or standard desktop setups. You can choose the version that fits the layout of your computer case, which heavily improves your cable management. A clean setup looks better and helps keep components running cooler. The cable measures exactly 39 centimeters in length, providing enough reach for efficient routing inside your PC case while keeping messy clutter to a minimum. This compact size perfectly helps maintain unobstructed airflow for a well-ventilated interior. To ensure your components stay safely connected, the Jeyi SATA cable features a durable double buckle lock mechanism. This clever design provides a completely secure connection that stays firmly in place even during heavy high-performance operations. This locking feature greatly reduces the chance of any accidental disconnections, giving you peace of mind that your storage drives will stay online. The Rager SATA 3.0 cable perfectly combines fast 6 gigabits per second speeds, a versatile design, and solid construction into one practical solution. It makes connecting your storage drives simple, totally dependable, and wonderfully organized. Next up at number 3 is the Vention SATA 3.0 cable. The Vention SATA 3.0 cable provides high-speed data transfer that supports rates up to 6 gigabits per second, giving you fast and reliable performance for your storage devices. Whether you are plugging in a fast SSD or a standard HDD, this cable ensures your system runs smoothly. You will immediately notice quick file access and highly stable connections when transferring large files or loading applications. Building a system or upgrading storage requires dependable parts, and this Vention cable is perfectly designed to handle all your daily computing demands. When building a neat and tidy computer case, the physical size of your cables is very important. With a convenient cable length of 0.5 meters, this adapter offers the ideal reach for navigating tight spaces. It is long enough to successfully connect your drives, but short enough to help minimize messy cable clutter inside your PC build. This practical size makes internal cable management much easier for any builder. By keeping your internal wires properly organized and out of the way, you effectively improve the overall cooling airflow inside your case. Compatibility is completely effortless. The cable is designed for seamless connectivity with major motherboard brands like Asus and Gigabyte. This means you can install your hard drive or solid-state drive with absolute confidence, knowing it will simply plug in and work perfectly. It easily integrates into many different computer systems, making your specific hardware upgrades and new system builds incredibly straightforward and stress-free. Quality and safety are built right into the core design. The Vention SATA cable comes fully tested with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. Meeting these strict international safety and environmental standards ensures you are getting a reliable product that delivers exceptional long-term performance. You receive a durable solution that you can trust to keep your desktop setup running safely. The Vention SATA cable beautifully combines fast data speeds, a compact length, and solid certified quality into one dependable accessory to organize your PC. Moving to number 2, we have the Jeyi SATA 3.0 cable. The Jeyi SATA 3.0 cable offers high-speed data transfer supporting up to 6 gigabits per second for incredibly fast and stable connectivity between your drives and the motherboard. When you are building a computer, having a reliable connection for your HDD, SSD, or optical drives is essential. This high-speed performance ensures your system remains responsive and highly efficient, giving you smooth file transfers and quick load times every single day. Managing cables inside a case can be frustrating, but this cable makes the process simple. At exactly 40 centimeters in length, this SATA cable provides the perfect reach for tight spaces while maintaining exceptionally strong signal integrity. This specific length strikes a wonderful balance, allowing you to easily connect your components while significantly reducing messy clutter inside your PC case. By keeping your internal wires properly managed, you help promote better airflow and maintain a clean-looking desktop setup. To ensure your components stay safely connected, this Jeyi cable features a dependable locking latch mechanism. This thoughtful design element physically locks the connector into place, which actively prevents any accidental disconnections. You get a much more stable and durable connection for your critical storage devices. You can have total peace of mind knowing that the cable will stay securely in place even during physical movement or heavy daily computer use. Another fantastic benefit of the Jeyi SATA 3.0 cable is the flexibility it offers for different computer builds. You can easily choose from 2 distinct design options, including both bend and straight configurations. This choice gives you excellent flexibility in routing and installation, allowing the cable to adapt to various internal PC layouts and space constraints for the absolute best fit. The double straight version ensures perfectly clean and straight cable paths. This is perfect for users who prefer a highly neat and strictly organized internal setup without any unnecessary bends or twisted wires. The Jeyi SATA 3.0 cable beautifully combines fast 6 gigabits per second speeds, a secure locking design, and versatile building options into one practical solution. It makes connecting your storage drives simple, highly reliable, and remarkably well organized inside any desktop build. Our top recommendation is the Cabletime SATA 3.0 cable. The Cabletime SATA 3.0 cable is engineered for a 6 gigabits per second transmission speed, ensuring fast data transfer between your storage drives and the motherboard. When building a computer, a dependable connection is essential. This high-speed capability keeps your storage performing beautifully. It provides highly stable connections whether you use a standard HDD or a fast SSD. You will instantly notice smoother everyday computing and seamless data access when loading applications or moving files. To make installation easy, this cable gives you excellent flexibility. You can choose from straight or right-angle connectors to perfectly fit your specific space needs. If you are working inside a crowded PC case, the right-angle option makes installation smooth and frustration-free. This amazing adaptability helps you achieve cleaner cable routing inside your build. It is the ideal solution for connecting your vital storage hardware to your desktop computer while maintaining excellent signal stability. Another great feature of this Cabletime SATA cable is its highly practical physical size. Coming in at exactly 0.5 meters in length, it provides enough reach to connect your components properly without creating an ugly mess of wires. It is the perfect size for internal connections in both compact and standard desktop builds. By preventing excess cable clutter from piling up inside your case, this length directly promotes much better internal airflow. Keeping your wires neat means your computer stays cooler and runs efficiently. Safety and long-term reliability are also built right into the design. The Cabletime SATA cable is fully compliant with CE and RoHS standards. This means it is carefully designed with both environmental and safety considerations in mind. You can install it with confidence, knowing it is a responsible choice for safe and reliable long-term use. The Cabletime SATA 3.0 cable combines high-speed 6 gigabits per second data transfer, versatile connector options, and a practical compact design. It is a totally dependable accessory that simplifies your storage connections and keeps your PC beautifully organized. Maximize your storage speeds and keep your PC build looking perfectly organized. Check the price link in the description to find the right cables for your setup, and make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more great tech guides. See you next time.